Alright, so we're trying to make an apple pie. That's the whole fucking video idea. How to make an apple pie. And the shit is going off the rails. But we'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll get something out of this. More than likely, we won't get shit out of this. But maybe we'll make a pie. If anything, we'll make a fucking pie. Motherfuckers over here fucking down on a bottle of fucking cough syrup before we start shooting anything. Fuck you. Where's my face?
We haven't even started making the pie yet.
Alright.
For Jason.
This here's Cooking with Captain Part 2. He's gonna teach you how to make a goddamn apple pie. Apple pie time, here we go. We're gonna do it. What's happening, y'all? It's Captain Pete, Full-Time Stupid. And we're gonna show y'all how to make a goddamn apple pie. From scratch. And bitches love when you make apple pies. And bitches also love when a dude knows how to cook shit.
That was good. That was your best one?
I'm gonna kill myself. First step we're gonna do, we're gonna peel these apples. And by peeling, I mean take all this skin off the outside. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take all this skin off these apples. And then you wanna get something real good for skinning. Paige, what are you doing?
Peeling an apple. Oh shit.
Make it happen, Captain. Alright, you gotta cut your apples in half. And then you gotta get the cores and shit out of them. Cause you know, these little seeds in here, you can take these seeds, if you get a whole fucking shitload of them, you can make cyanide out of them. Are you recording? For fuck's sakes. But yeah, these little seeds are poisonous. And if you use enough of them, you can make cyanide and then kill people. Now you know. Oh, good. Alright.
Well, I'll call you if we need anything.
Okay.
So I'll probably call you in.
So when you're chopping apples, remember to keep your fingers curled in so you don't cut your fingers off. Yeah, you don't want to cut your fingers. And then you always hold the knife by the blade. You got more control like that. Yeah. You know? Especially if you have fucking dick fingers like that. Yeah, when you got dick fingers, it really hurts the head of your dick fingers if you get them cut up. This video is gonna be a fucking pile of shit.
Oh.
What do we need to soak them in is the question.
Sugar.
But how much sugar in this bowl? I got this. Where the fuck did the bowl go? I'm just trying to make goddamn informational, educational. Kid, what are you doing? I'm getting to a bigger bowl. Alright. So Kate's putting the apples. You put them apples up in that sugar in there. But you gotta chop up a whole shitload of apples. We ain't got a whole shitload of apples chopped up. And apparently, according to Mom, this is how to make some motherfucking apple pie. Juicy juice, motherfuck, biddly doo. Fucking everything. Fuck the whole thing. Bro, what's happening? You have to put this shit on certain settings so where it doesn't autofocus. I was about to shit my pants and then Kate's fucking out of toilet paper, so I'm just gonna shit my pants. I just shit my ass. We ain't never gonna get this fucking pie working. We're just waiting on the apples to fucking turn into syrup and then you just pour it in the pie thing, right? Yeah, but that's all it is. So what happened? We cut up a bunch of apples and we took the cores out.
Yes, I chopped all these fucking apples. And then doused some cinnamon on that bitch.
And you put some cinnamon and shit up in there?
And some sugar. And now it's making its own little syrup. Like good little apples. She's stunning. Yeah, look how gorgeous. Look at all the cinnamon apple juices.
Yeah.
Cinnamon apple juices.
Yeah. Get a little bit wet. I have no idea what I'm doing. I know, but this goddamn Alright, Kate. Cutting board is sliding around. Alright. Butter's attempt at a lattice crust. We're gonna latticey crusty it together and then lay it on top of the pie after we're fucking done. Or not after we're done. It's gonna be fucking dope. A second. And listen. Fuck's sakes. Good. I made your goddamn pie top. Very pretty. Alright, so we got all these fucking apple slices and shit. And they're fucking sliced and appley. And you let that sugar and shit. Let me get a good look at the shit.
Those are looking wet.
Yeah, you get that shit. Wet. Looking moist. Alright, tell them what's going on. Alright, then you get your fucking dough that we made earlier that I'm not exactly sure if we fucking showed you how to make the dough. Not dough, crust. It's dough. Crust. Fuck. And then we're gonna put some fucking butter in this pan when it heats the fuck up. And then, what the fuck else are we gonna put in the pan? Some sugar and shit?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Alright, Paige, what are we doing with that egg white?
We're beating it like a fucking white bitch, I guess.
Fucking videotape anytime you do some shit. You're the fucking guy on the camera.
We don't know. We were wondering.
Hey, what are you doing? I don't even fucking know.
The dirt was in the sugar.
I have no idea what I'm fucking doing. The worst fucking video ever. I know. Oh god, I hate Fander so goddamn much. Fuck Fander. No, I need a whiskey. I don't know where whiskey, stir, Alabama. Throw that thing on there.
I turned it to medium.
Put the bam on the gam. Let's go, Cade. I'm trying to get this pie done. Okay. Wait, let me get some B-roll of that. Butter's fucking be ready. Alright, what the fuck do I do now?
Oh, now what? Add the apples.
Goddamn apples in, you homo. It's pretty simple.
Pretty simple.
Don't you fucking act like you know how to fucking make shit. Apples and crust.
Here we go. Woo!
Alright, kid, what's the plan? Show me the pie. Alright, we got this motherfucking pie. Got the lettuce top on that motherfucker. And we're gonna put this motherfucker in the goddamn motherfucking oven. 350 degrees. We're gonna cook it for 60 motherfucking minutes. Oh shit, Jesus Christ.
All the girls.
And that's it. And then we got like fucking a whole bunch of fucking blonde girls. And hopefully more people watch the video because of that, for fuck's sake. We got a goddamn apple pie. Smells like a goddamn grandmother's house. Look at the... Alright, so when you make an apple pie correct, this is what happens. Alright? Alright, JC, you got anything to say to the camera? What do you have to say?
I like pie.
Paige, anything to add?
Round of applause.
Our lattice looks amazing.
Kelsey?
Our lattice.
Excited to try it.
Captain?
You remember that one time where you were talking to Alicia about pie and she smacked you in the face?
Yeah, man, she backhanded the fuck out of me. That's the shit out of my face.
Do you want a spatula?
Look at all the crazy shit that Fander misses. Wait, give me the fucking cut sign. Fucking close her up.